Page number 37. 5b. Read about Bobo and Nanda again. Bobo. 1. He never wears a helmet. Tuga helmet ko pero masambu. He never fastened his seatbelt. Tuga tangong gabago pero mapapao. He sometimes plays on the street with his friend. He doesn't look to the left and to the right before crossing the road. He doesn't usually walk on the pavement. Nanda, she always wears a helmet. Tumaga helmet ko anye saumare. She always fastens her seatbelt. Tumaga tangong gabaku anye papare. She never plays on the street with her friend. Tumaga lama boma tange chinine betoma magazababu. She always look to the left and to the right before crossing the road. Lamagu game bene nyago anye chipare. She walks on the pavement. Tumaga ludwa lamboma anye shopare. Set A. Study the following and tick the correct column. Play on the road. Lamboma kazaba. You mustn't maloya. Play on the school bus. Jam kaboma kazaba. You mustn't. Look to the left and to the right before crossing the road. Lamagu game bene nyabagu jiba. You must. Wear the helmet. 1. Riding a bicycle. Sabing siya ka helmet ko sauma. You must. Run across the road. Langu piegu ba. You mustn't. Hello yawa. Sit B. Write 5 safety rules. Hello everyone. I want to tell you 5 safety rules I always follow. 1. I always wear a helmet. Helmet ko anye saumare. I always fasten my seatbelt. Tangong kapago anye papare. I always look to the left and to the right before crossing the road. Lamagu game bebene nyabago anye chipare. I never play on the road. Lamoma bedoma magazaba. I walk on the pavement. Ludwa lambo gani shopare. Thank you for listening. Not on video.